Hey guys, okay, going over my trade review on VRT. I found this, of course, using trade ideas per usual. If you take a look over here, I have my single stock window. What I like about this, it's got 2.5 days of cover, 5.3 days or 5.3% short float. But mostly what I like about it is kind of this breakout or this break of this level here. It came back, retested it. I'm going to call it the 95.60 level here. Consolidated for 1, 2, 3. I entered this yesterday, so I love the 3 days of bottoming tails. Nice consolidation, holding this level as it broke, and it was also kind of price correction / time correction back to the 10 EMA. So I entered yesterday. I also like the decreasing volume on the selling as well. Today, as you can see, we got a nice 5.18% push. That might be aftermarket or ours as well. Either way, we got a nice move today, right? And so now I'm going to hold this. I'm going to be mindful of this resistance up here at those prior highs. I'll just say that area there around 107-ish, 107.50. I'll be mindful of that, maybe take a little bit of profit, take some off the table, pay myself. But overall, I mean, that's nice and simple what I was looking at. 3 days consolidation, I liked it. Bottoming tails, it was at this level of support, so it's kind of a resistance support flip and a pull back to the 10 EMA. How I did it, entry wise, here we are, VRT. Nice. I have this blue, light blue line from anchored VWAP on the high here. You can see that this is obviously a pretty important level. 1, 2, 3, and then this morning 4 times on the test, right? And it didn't. So it was kind of just in this consolidation area. We can go from there to there, basically just chopping. Look above and fail of that. Target is the opposite end, chopped around there. Okay. And I entered yesterday around, I think it was, I marked it already here. It was around here at 98 even. You can see I set an anchored VWAP, spent most of the day underneath anchored VWAP, consolidating, refused it, rejected, finally broke above it, right? So, if I were a hedge fund or some big money manager and I am graded on price that I purchase a stock versus, and my grading is based on anchored VWAP, then I would want to buy around here. So this is, to me, I see this as position building, and then they bring it on up here and distribute it above. So I bought as it was coming on down. I was at work. And my plan, I saw this the night prior, and I had a plan. Plan was, hey, breaks the lows. If it breaks this low of consolidation, that means it'd have to break the 10 EMA, and then there's a chance of it continue on downwards. Otherwise, it can be a look below and fail and just come right back up into this zone, and I can get right back in. So I entered at 98, stop loss at 95.90, and we got a beautiful push today, and possibly an area I can actually move my stop loss up to. If I wanted to keep it real tight and kind of, get lucky, is 174. My probably ideal, I would like it at 99.50, because I can see maybe price coming down, whipping that out, this consolidation, breaking the weak hands that have these stop losses here, and then potentially coming back up. Or it could just continue ripping, which would be fun too. But that is how I entered. That's my new position in VRT. Hope that makes sense. Hope that helps.